Hey guys, this is the second video on Apache Camel with Spring Boot playlist. So in our previous video we have discussed about what is Apache Camel and how to set up with the Spring Boot application and the Hello World application, right? So let me open that here. So this is the one we have discussed, right? Where I have set up the timer and the code is something like this, okay? So this is how the code is, okay? So this the timer router, the timer is coming from the Apache core library, okay? And so we have created this router here. So if you see in the console, we got the results with route 1 because there is only one route is there, so it is given as route 1, and we have the data hello world, right? So how do you name the route? Okay, I mean, how do you rename according to your requirement? Okay, so to do that, you simply do route id and you give that application that name that you wanted to. Let's say like hello world display, okay? Let's say hello world, okay? And you can also specify the description of the route with the help of route description. That means what this route is going to do, that we can display here, like this route will display hello world, okay? I hope you guys able to follow me here. Hello world onto to screen, okay? So these two things we can set up, okay? So this is like a standard or the best practices. So let me rerun and show you how it is coming. I am running it as a Spring Boot app. Yeah, now you could see this is my hello world as a route name, okay? And route description you don't get it. Next here, what you have the period as 10,000. That means every 10 seconds you are trying to execute, but this is hard coded, right? This you don't want to do, because if there were some other routes they want to execute for every 10 seconds, that means you have to hard code it everywhere, and that is not a good practice, right? So the best option I suggest here is like you try to get it from the application properties file. So you have this application properties, and here you mention how much you want, for how many seconds you wanted to get this, okay? Now I have defined this. Now I simply get that value in my code here, okay? So how to get that? Simply go to your application properties, just copy this, okay, and come here, and here you remove the hard coded value, put two curly braces, that's it. You just copy paste the field name from the application properties, that's it. It should automatically get picked up, okay? So this is another good practice that I would like to suggest you guys. And here we are farming a hello world as a log, right? So let me try to show the data, what is there in the data. So how to get that thing here? Simply use :body, okay? This is a nothing but what is there as part of the body, that you will try to get it here, okay? This is a hard coded one. So I can comment this guy, okay? Now it should be null because there's nothing in the body, right? We show as part of here. Okay, failed to start because it is already in use. I need to restart, guys. Just give me a minute. Yeah, cool. Now it got restarted. Now let me try to run this. Now you could see it started executing. This should ideally pick it for every 10 seconds. Now you could see hello world came here, then after every 10 seconds it should come. Now you could see, right, 1828, right? So again here the body is null because we are not forming any sort of message here, right? So let's send some constant message so that we can see how the data is going. Okay, so to do that, what I will do is, here I'll do transform method. Okay, then I will do something like from the constant object, here let me print hello world. So this message will be transferred from my source to my destination by every 10 seconds because of the period that we are passing, right? So let me try to execute this. Oh, sorry, I think I forgot. That's okay. I think I forgot to give that message body. That's okay, as part of the log. Let's see, this is the first one, null we have received. Now, yeah, because once that message is formed, again I need to put a logger here. Okay, so to do that, log slash body. Okay, now this should come properly. Run this. So hope you guys are following. So what are the things we have learned? We learned how to give route ID, how to give the route description, how to fetch it from application properties, and how to send a constant message over the router. Okay, so now you could see, first time we got message as null, then second time we got the message properly. Okay, right, here you could see body hello world, right? So this is how we can send, we can improvise our hello world application a little better. Okay, with a little more standard. Anything you want to get it from properties file, you can use a pattern like this. Okay, so hope you guys understood. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me Karthik signing off, and also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you could become a member, I would highly appreciate that as well. Thank you.